Hello, hello, hello. How are you? I hope you are fine. This is Benjero, official, and class known as Benjero Tutorials. And I want to welcome you back for my second class. I want to teach you on how to set a worship, sweet melodic worship voices on keyboard 453, as you can see there. So that's it. I want to teach you or give you a little tutorial on how you can set sweet melodic voices that will bring the heaven onto earth as you play it to church or somewhere in a congregation worshiping Christ. First of all, you start by switching on your keyboard. From there, you wait until it back up. Then after it finishes, then you go for the very first thing. As you can see there on the screen, it's number 1, known as grand piano. That voice is very much okay with the main voice as a main voice. So there's no need for setting a main voice. That one is very much okay. So from there, we go for the second voice because we have to use two voices together. As we have the main voice, we have to go and search for the dual voice or the second voice, so that as you play that keyboard, we'll have two voices, production of two voices at the same time. Okay? So you go to a place known as dual. You wrong place first. After wrong placing, as you can see on the screen, it's written as strings. But this one, okay, it's also good for worship, but it's not that suitable as you can see it. But for me, I use a number known as 598. 598. As you can see on screen, it's written as New Age Pad. It's known as New Age Pad. From there, we put on that voice to be functionable. It's on screen, it will write that dual voice up there. So from there, we scroll up, category up, so that we may set other things on that voice. The volume is 45. We might add, maybe we can add a little bit up to around 60. That one is enough. So that as you pray, it is like that. It can be heard by everyone. From there, we go to something known as, okay, as it is, it's okay. It's very much okay. The octave, it's very much okay. But because we need to shift our transport, to shift our keys to play on the higher octave, so we can go to minus. We do the minus. So it can go to -1. So from there, we go scroll category downwards or minus up to main octave. Also, we give it a minor octave so that they can rhyme together. I think you can hear the voice. It's very sweet as you can listen. But there's something that is missing out on those voices. So from there, we go on the assign, something known as assign on your left-hand side. It's there, known as assign. As you press the assign, we need us to come to number 3. On the screen, you will see there's something known as 1 there. There's something known as 1. So as we press assign, it will go to 3. After we are there, now we can we need us to set the release. So we use this button here. We can twist it a bit or maybe almost full of it. After we are done with that, now our keyboard or our keys are very much okay. So as you press your key like that, the voice will remain releasing. It will remain to be released. It won't stop immediately. So that one is a very sweet worship. Reduce a bit of your volume main volume, so that it may not produce a loud voice or a loud noise makings. So that one, as you can hear, it's very sweet. I like that voice of edge pad, new edge pad voice, because it has got on the bass, it can produce the bass that I need. Okay, it's very sweet as you listen to it. So it's like that. So from there, we are not yet done. The suitable style for worship. Okay, in this keyboard of mine, I've inserted a style known as C Abudu. It's in the number 230 of my styles. So C Abudu, it's number 230. So as you play it, the tempo I normally use 57. That one I feel the speed is very okay. So then you start by something known as intro, BA. And then press and see the start or pause sign, so that when you press any key, you can press your key as you start the melodic worship, like that. So as you can hear, it has just auto-filled itself and went to that volume or the auto A. So from there we can add a little bit of the style volume so that we can hear it clear, and avoid it not to go over the volume keys. They must be equal together. Something like that, huh? And that's all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe, comment, and also share to your friends. They can also be helpful to them. Bye-bye.